In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add service in Wix Easy 2026 step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started right inside Wix. Open your Wix account and head to your dashboard. At the top left, you'll see the site switcher. If you manage multiple sites, this is where you choose the one you want to work on. Select the correct site so you're editing the right place. Now click the option to design or edit the site. This opens the Wix editor where you can change the layout and add new sections. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all the tools appear on the left and the canvas is active. Once you're in the site, move your cursor over the page content. Look for the Add Section prompt that appears between sections. Click Add Section to open the panel of ready-made layouts. These presets save time and keep your design consistent. From the panel, choose Design Sections rather than starting from a blank section. Design sections come with balanced spacing, typography, and buttons already styled, which is perfect for adding services quickly without rebuilding from scratch. In the categories, select Services. This filters the gallery to layouts built specifically to showcase what you offer. You'll see different styles like grids, lists, and feature highlights. Take a moment to browse. Think about how many services you need to show, whether you want images or icons, and how the layout will look on mobile. Hovering over a layout gives you a quick preview of its structure. When you find a design you like, click it. Wix will add that service section to your page automatically. It's placed directly on the canvas and you can drag it up or down to position it exactly where you want in the flow of your page. If you see a brief loading spinner, don't worry. It may take a moment while the design and assets are applied. Just give it a second to finish. Once the section appears, you can start editing. Click any text to replace the placeholder titles and descriptions with your own service names, benefits, and pricing. Swap out images or icons to match your brand. Use the design tools to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so the section aligns with the rest of your site. If your layout includes buttons, update the button labels and link them to the right pages, contact forms, or booking flows. Finally, switch to the mobile view to make sure everything looks clean and readable on smaller screens, and tweak the spacing if needed. That's it. Your service section is now added and ready to customize to your business.